Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Pratishtha and I make videos related to freelancing and copywriting on this channel. And in today's video, we are going to talk about the main differences between content and copywriting and which one pays more. The most basic difference between content and copywriting is that content is made for engagement purposes, and the end goal of content is to entertain or educate the audience and get engagement in the form of mostly likes, shares, and comments, or maybe if it is on a website to get them to subscribe. Whereas when it comes to copywriting, the main goal of copy is to create a sale directly or indirectly. So this is the most foundational and the most basic difference between content and copy. So examples of content would be reels, YouTube videos, normal blog posts, and images and infographics. Examples of copywriting would be landing pages, sales pages, and ads and sales letters and all of that stuff. Now that you guys have understood the basic difference between content and copy, let's talk about which one pays more. So although it is very subjective, content writers and copywriters both get paid very good amounts when they are experienced. But on a basic level, even if a content and a copywriter has the same amount of experience, a copywriter would almost get paid double and even more of what a content writer is getting paid off. Yeah, that's true, at least in my experience. Although people can have different experience and everyone's experience is very different, but being a content and a copywriter both, this is what I have seen as far as now. So this definitely does not mean that you cannot create 6 to 7 figure incomes just by being a content writer, because so many people have done that already. But as I told you, that copywriting is usually about generating a sale and increasing the conversion rate of any particular business. So if you're increasing their conversion rate and your copy is helping them make more money, which automatically means that you can charge them more. So this is the basic foundation behind it, and I hope you're getting what I'm trying to say, right? Copywriting as a skill takes a lot of time, and it is not easy to be confident and confidently say that hey, my copy will bring you more money, bring you more conversions. It obviously takes a lot more time to become a very skilled and confident copywriter. It's an art and science combined, and it takes a lot of time to get there. So basically copywriting is a very long journey. So do not think that I'll become a copywriter and I'll make a lot of money, because it's not possible. You have to study a lot, you have to practice a lot, you have to work on your craft. So that's that. So this was a short video, and I hope you guys have a better perspective on the difference between content and copywriting, and which one pays more and which one is easy and which one is difficult. Content writing in no way is easy, but it is my personal perspective. And obviously writing good content and very there are a lot of writers in the market, but very less skilled writers, and to become one of those skilled writers is not at all easy. In my opinion, I find like copywriting requires much more time and effort. So I hope that you have a better understanding now, and with this I will end this video. I have a lot of hand movement going on in this video, but anyways, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all of those good things. Follow me on my Twitter, Insta, and LinkedIn for a lot of good content on freelancing, and you can also get in touch with me there. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.